Join me as I dive into the tiny world of ants to discover what amazing lessons we can learn from these little creatures. Ants have always fascinated humans with their incredible teamwork and organization. And it's no wonder why their colonies are like tiny societies, working together seamlessly to achieve common goals. This impressive social structure is built on a foundation of communication, cooperation, and a clear division of labor, making them one of the most successful and resilient creatures on the planet. Humans, on the other hand, often struggle with teamwork and productivity despite our advanced cognitive abilities and technological advancements. Many of us have experienced the frustration of working in a team where individual goals and motivations clash, leading to inefficiencies and stagnation. This is evident in the countless meetings that seem to go nowhere, the endless emails that clog our inboxes, and the projects that get stuck in limbo due to lack of clear direction or communication. We've all been there, stuck in a team that just can't seem to get its act together no matter how hard we try. Effective teamwork requires a deep understanding of each individual's strengths and weaknesses, as well as a willingness to adapt and evolve as a group. However, this is often easier said than done, as personal biases and ego can get in the way of making objective decisions. Moreover, the increasing complexity of modern workplaces, with their multiple stakeholders and competing priorities, can make it even harder to achieve cohesion and alignment. As a result, many teams struggle to reach their full potential, leaving everyone feeling frustrated and disillusioned. In addition to these challenges, humans also face the obstacle of distractions and divided attention, which can further erode our ability to work together effectively. With the constant ping of social media, the lure of email notifications, and the pressure to meet deadlines, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus on the bigger picture. This is where ants can provide some valuable insights. Their ability to stay focused on a common goal, even in the face of adversity, is a testament to the power of clear communication and collective purpose. Ants are incredibly adept at foraging, communicating, and problem-solving, and these behaviors can inspire human practices in many ways. For example, ants use complex chemical signals to communicate with each other, allowing them to coordinate their actions and work together to achieve common goals. This is similar to how humans use language to communicate, but ants' chemical signals are often more efficient and effective, allowing them to respond quickly to changes in their environment. By studying these signals, humans can develop new ways of communicating and coordinating our actions, leading to more effective teamwork and collaboration. Ants' foraging behaviors are also highly organized, with different castes performing different roles to ensure the colony's survival. This division of labor allows ants to gather food and resources more efficiently, and it's a model that humans can learn from. By recognizing the different strengths and weaknesses of individual team members, humans can assign tasks and roles more effectively, leading to greater productivity and success. Furthermore, ants' ability to adapt to changing environments and circumstances is a valuable lesson for humans, who often struggle to pivot and adjust to new situations. Ants' problem-solving abilities are also highly impressive, as they are able to navigate complex networks of tunnels and chambers to find food and resources. This ability to navigate and adapt to complex environments is a valuable lesson for humans, who often face complex challenges and obstacles in our own lives. By studying ants' problem-solving behaviors, humans can develop new strategies and approaches to overcoming obstacles, leading to greater success and achievement. Additionally, ants' ability to work together to overcome physical challenges, such as building bridges or lifting heavy objects, is a powerful reminder of the importance of collaboration and teamwork. The key lesson from ants is the importance of collaboration and resilience, which can serve as a turning point for human endeavors. By recognizing the value of teamwork and collective effort, humans can overcome even the most daunting challenges and achieve great things. This is evident in the many examples of human collaboration and innovation throughout history, from the construction of great buildings and monuments to the discovery of new scientific principles and technologies. By embracing the principles of ant-like behavior, humans can unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and success. One of the most significant advantages of ant-like behavior is its ability to foster a sense of community and shared purpose. When individuals work together towards a common goal, they are more likely to feel a sense of belonging and connection, which can lead to greater motivation and engagement. This is evident in the many examples of successful teams and organizations that prioritize collaboration and teamwork, such as startups, sports teams, and volunteer groups. By recognizing the value of community and shared purpose, humans can build stronger, more resilient teams that are better equipped to overcome challenges and achieve great things. Furthermore, ant-like behavior can also help humans develop a greater sense of resilience and adaptability, which is essential for success in today's fast-changing world. By recognizing that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of the learning and growth process, humans can develop a more positive and resilient mindset, which can help us bounce back from adversity and stay focused on our goals. This is evident in the many examples of individuals and teams who have overcome significant obstacles to achieve great things, from entrepreneurs and athletes to artists and activists. In conclusion, the study of ants offers many valuable lessons for humans, from the importance of teamwork and collaboration to the value of resilience and adaptability. By recognizing the strengths and weaknesses of our own teams and organizations, and by embracing the principles of ant-like behavior, humans can unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and success. Whether we're working in a team, leading an organization, or simply trying to achieve our personal goals, the lessons of ants can help us navigate the challenges and complexities of modern life. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope you found this exploration of what we can learn from ants as fascinating as I do. Take a moment to comment below on what you found most interesting about ants. And don't forget to check out our other video on the surprising lessons we can learn from nature. You might just discover a new perspective on the world around you.